my name is Kasih. I'm from class 5 too. I show you how to make noodle. First, prepare the ingredient. It's spoon, fork, bowl, some water, noodle, and the pot. Next, boil water. Put the water into the pot. While waiting for boiling water, we can open the noodle package and pour the seasoning into the bowl. Now that the water is boiling, add the noodle and wait for cooking about 5 until 7 minutes. While waiting for the noodles to cook, we boil spare water as a soup. If the noodles are cooked, strain and pour the noodle into a bowl. Pour the noodle into the bowl. And then add the boiled water. Finally, stir the noodle and ready to be served. Let's try it. I think it's savory and sweet because of the cheese on. That's it, and thank you. See you.